In this video, we'll go over the basics of Scanner Classic. So start on your home page, click on Scanner Classic, and it will take you to this screen. Across the top, you'll see Scan to Folder or Scan to Email, depending on what destination you want your scan to go to. Most of our customers set their scanning default to color, as color scanning is free. If you want to scan in black and white, click Scan Settings, and then select black and white text. In the resolution section, the most common setting is 300 dpi, so that's typically what we recommend. If you select 600 dpi, it will quadruple the size of the document. As far as scan size, let the document feeder do the work. As soon as you place a standard document in the document feeder, it recognizes the size. If you are scanning a non-standard size, like a business card, select 8.5 by 11, so it scans to a regular size of paper. And we'll just click OK to get out of this. The default is single-sided scanning, so if you have a two-sided document and you want both sides scanned, click Original Feed Type and select Two-Sided Original. If you want to send to several individuals, just select each email you want to send the scan to, and it will send one copy to everyone. The default scan type is PDF. If you want to change that, go to Send File Type/Name, and you can adjust the file type depending on your item. If you want anything set to a default, let us know and we can assist.